Leopard print, no, same thing. It's a lace. Look at this, very unique. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul, and today is going to be another affordable, sexy lingerie, see-through, lace, sexy women's underwear. What can you ask for when it's cheap? Online shopping? Let's do this. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing, you guys. It's a woman's underwear and it's a very sexy lingerie. So let's have some fun and let's see what we can find. 3 pieces of panty is over here. First panty. Is it lacy? Is it luxurious? Well, this panty gives me more subscriber. Baka naman. Sana naman maka over 1K subscriber tayo dito. Wish lang. Let's do this. Again, it's Shopee, okay? All prices are like 50 pesos and below. First, panty. Drum roll. Oh. Is it? Oh yeah. So our lucky charm is here again. Butterfly. Okay? Kunin natin ang tag. O, diva. Swerte talaga sa atin ang butterfly. Sana naman swertehin naman tong video na to. More views, more views. More subscribers. Sana naman. Para chicha. Diba? Davy Lopez, chicha. O otherwise, nga. O, diva. Ang ganda niya, guys. It's very beautiful. And look at the details on that. Oh, so cute, right? It's a thong, of course. Lace over here. And here, of course, yes. Look at that, guys. It's very sexy. Ivana Alawi ba to? Yes, definitely. Kim Kardashian? Yes, some more. Some more. Kim Kardashian? O more. Diva? O saan pa kayo? Less than $1? Yeah, go ahead. Do your online shopping. Mamadali tayo guys kasi ang battery na mamatay. Kamatinon ang battery. Next panty. Oh, black pa rin. Uy, hindi siya black. So, na-stock up siya guys. Wait, sana naman hindi siya ma-tear, no? Okay, good. Alright, ooh! This is a very unique one, which I haven't had in my channel. So, this is different. Ano ba to? Hindi ko maintindihan. I cannot fathom this one. Oh my god. The panty that we are referring about is a leopard. Oh, open your eyes. Give me your panty, darling. Buka siya, guys. Sama siya. Wait. Okay, so I guess you have to tie this here in front. It's a leopard print, no? Same thing. It's a lace. Look at this. Very unique, guys. No? Actually, this is for honeymoon panty, no? Of course, you can expect this. This is for like, you know, you're having a good night with your spouse. Okay, so it has a lace in here. I think this will be in your middle section. You gotta tie it like a ribbon, I think. Tie it, or a yellow ribbon in the old oak tree. Okay, the panty is like that. You got a hole in the middle section right here. And then I think this will be your underneath. No? Yeah. So hard to demonstrate. I will let Pickles wear it, a try on. Try on for this panty. Look at that one. No? Wow, very unique fuchsia, guys. Light material. And it's a lace type. So, very, very delicate material. So, easily can be ripped off. Yeah, I don't think if this would last. One night panty, yes. Honeymoon, yes. For married couple, and if you are into a leopard print, you know, this is it. It's very beautiful, you guys. Look at that. No? Alright. That's the second panty. And of course, one last more so we could end this video. Last panty. Patriling pa. Okay, next one. How come I got all black? Look at that, guys. Type na type ko to siya. Para itong pang Madonna. Pang Madonna or sheer, no? This kind of panty, yes. I will go for this one. Yes. A little bit more of high coverage. Of course, the print here is flower. Lace type, see-through again. This one is my type of an underwear. I can wear it? Yes, definitely. Makaluma. So, that's it. Third panty. Alright, you guys, that's all our unboxing of our panty haul from Shopee. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!